Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Wayne and my wife's name is Kathy. This channel is about the things that we use that are in the house that we built ourselves. If you like what you see, if you like the item that we'll be discussing, please click on the link below. Also, please go to the site and buy the item. Today's review is about the 10 1/2 inch pendant light installed above our kitchen sink. This light has a brushed nickel finish on the shade, canopy, and on the rigid metal downrod. We use this pendant light to flood the area around our kitchen sink. The pendant light has a modern farmhouse design with a bright industrial look. The downrod is adjustable and is included with the light. It can be arranged between 15 and 59 inches long. This pendant light comes with a 4-watt Edison-style bulb having 400 lumens of capacity. It can also use other bulbs up to 60 watts. The 5-inch round canopy is included for the ceiling connection. We like this pendant light very much, and we think you will too. Please click on the link in the video description to buy.
More videos are on the way. Please click on the link in the description. Thank you for watching.